Oh, look at the little micro Vangina. Look at the ladder rack. Still has, it's the old ladder rack from the Vangina and still has the eye from China. High head. It's a static coil, as you can see. Display case. Suction's high. Head pressure's high for 134A. First thing I'll do is I'll try and clean that condenser out and see if it comes around. If not, then we have to recover the charge and see if someone has this thing overcharged. So let me get some cleaning materials and stuff and we'll try and get this coil cleaned up. That's what we're looking at. Should be about a 10-degree evaporator. Did the deep cleanup, some coil cleaner, hose out. I did that a while ago. I've let it run for about 15 minutes and the pressure's come way down. Temperature's dropped. It was at, I think, 44 degrees. So it looks like this one might have just had a dirty condenser. And that's what it looks like. We'll let this coil dry up some more and see if the pressures will bounce back. But it's about right in there. Alright, looks like it's settled down pretty good. Head pressure, right in there, suction's in there. Temperature's looking good now. So we just had the old dirty condenser check. Pouring some ice up on the coil now, it looks good.